This is a petition for compensation for the injuries caused to the applicant Jyoti Vittal in motor vehicular accident dated 27 October 2017 under section 166 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 para that on 27 October 2017 applicant son namely Master Sarthak Vittal Gaigove was ill and for providing medical treatment to him. Applicant, her husband Vittal and their son Sarthak were proceeding towards Ahmednagar on motorcycle bearing registration number MH16 AN120 from Sorlabaddi. The applicant and her son Sarthak were pillion riders on that motorcycle. Her husband Vittal was riding the said motorcycle in the slow speed. When they reached near Hatti Barrow in the vicinity of village Darewadi at that time, one ACE Tempo bearing registration number MH20 CT3198 came from opposite direction in high and excessive speed. It was driven by Babaji Sripad Gunda in rash and negligent manner. The driver upset tempo, missed control over the tempo and gave severe dash to their motorcycle, due to which the applicant, her husband and son fell down on the road and sustained injuries. The applicant has sustained grievous injuries, that is left fracture, radius clavicle and malinated along with injury left shoulder coupled with left fracture inferior public ramus and other injuries as mentioned in the injury certificate as well as form B. The applicant admitted in the Patil Hospital, Ahmednagar from 27 October 2017 to 31st October 2017 as an indoor patient. During this period, medical treatment was provided to the applicant till today. The applicant is taking medical treatment as an outdoor patient. The applicant required to spend rupees 1 lakh towards medical and hospitalization, and in future also the applicant is required to spend at least rupees 20,000 for medical treatment. The applicant has sustained grievous injuries in the vehicular accident para. Further, it is stated that at the time of accident, the applicant was 30 years old and was doing agricultural and household work and was earning rupees 6,000 per month from agricultural business. Due to accident, the applicant cannot do her day-to-day work efficiently as she has suffered 15% permanent disability. Therefore, the applicant is entitled for compensation of rupees 5 lakh. Accordingly, prays for to allow the claim petition. Para. Opponent number 1 by filing his written statement at Exhibit 15 stated that the applicant has suppressed the material fact before the court. The road on which vehicle was plying were having big ditches. One lorry was proceeding ahead the vehicle of the opponent number 1 and applicant's husband has to take into consideration that heavy vehicle is coming from the opposite side and to take care of the situation of the traffic. The lorry was big, due to which the driver of the tempo was unable to see the traffic ahead. The lorry in front of the said tempo went ahead, and all of a sudden the motorcycle ridden by the applicant's husband gave severe dash to the tempo owned by opponent number one. Under these circumstances, it was total sheer negligence on the part of the applicant husband. 5 days delay has been caused for filing of FIR, hence possibility of false implication of the vehicle cannot be ruled out, and denied the rest of the contention of claim petition. Lastly, praise for to dismiss the petition. Para. Opponent number 2, insurance company, by filing its written statement at Exhibit 10, stated that the applicant's husband was riding the motorcycle bearing number MH16AN120 as triple seat, and due to which he could not control his motorcycle and thereby invited the accident. Hence, opponent is not liable to pay compensation to the applicant. 3 days delay has been caused for filing of the report. The driver of the Tata ACE Tempo was not holding valid and effective driving license. The standard policy of insurance is issued by opponent in respect of the category of vehicle exclude the liability in case of driving by a person without holding effective and valid driving license. Hence, opponent is not liable to pay compensation and denied the content about income of injured and her entitlement for the compensation as paid by the applicant. Lastly, praise for to dismiss the claim PT.